What's up YouTube? It's Anthony here with Ancient and Modern Weapons, and today we'll be doing a video on the M&P15 pistol. This one is a AR pistol chambered in 5.56. It has a 7.5-inch barrel with the blast can on it, with the trademarked, M&P grip with the swappable back straps. It comes with a small, medium, large, and large back straps, which is really textured, really nice. It's still a mil-spec trigger, yet it's flat-faced. It's a KAK Industries buffer tube, pistol buffer tube, and everything else should be like Smith & Wesson. So, yeah, that's how they built it. That's how I bought it, directly from, Smith & Wesson, or a dealer of theirs. So, let's shoot it. We got our California compliant and YouTube compliant magazines. Stupid garbages. Oh my, that is not easy. All right. Well, this is going to be really fun. I guess I'm just going to hip fire a couple into the dirt, just to functionality test, and then we have our targets, our steel target set a good distance away, safe distance away, and so I'll try. I don't have any sights yet or red dots for it, so I guess I could have taken something off something else, but then re-zeroing and all that takes forever. So let's try it. Wow, that flash is crazy. That blast can is, woo! All right, let's see if I can hit something now. Little low, little low. I hit it, woo! That's not scary at all. Where did I put my camera again? Oh, there it is, okay. Oh, that flash coming out the muzzle. Oh my goodness. That is huge. I love it. Gotta reload, because 10 rounds are not enough ever. All right, we're loaded up again. Let's see if we can hit our targets. Click, no bang. Our mag's in all the way. Right. There we go. Oh, it picked up one that time. Bugs are eating me alive. Click, no bang. Well, no last round bolt hold open on that one. We had a couple failures to feed. Well, it didn't fail, it just didn't pick up a round. I don't think the magazine's that amazing. So that one didn't, pick pick up rounds out of the mag. It was clipped in. It wasn't getting pulled out when I pulled on up and do it again. You know what's better than one AR pistol? Two AR pistols. Let's do it. All right, how am I supposed to? There we go. Come on, press the button. Boop. Safety. Safety. No, we had a malfunction in this one. Same one that malfunctioned last time. All right. Safety on. How are you supposed to do this? Ready? Alright, well, between the two of them, this one sucks and this one doesn't. So, that's unfortunate. I don't know why. But this one doesn't want to work. But the muzzle flashes are really nice. Well, these were the M&P15 pistols made by Smith & Wesson, chambered in 5.56. Thank you so much for watching this video on Ancient and Modern Weapons. Please like, comment, and subscribe down below. Hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos drop. And remember, you're living the history of tomorrow, so go out there and make history. Have a good one, guys.